Your prescriber has ordered a home test using the Checkme wristwatch. This is a simple test which you perform in the comfort of your own bedroom and only requires you to wear a comfortable thumb ring sensor and is initiated with a single button push on the wristwatch. This test measures oxygen levels during your sleep. Low oxygen levels are symptoms of sleep apnea, a potentially serious medical condition. To perform this test, there are a few simple steps which we will provide for you now. Your prescriber provided you with a wristwatch with the thumb sensor already plugged into the wristwatch. If the probe is not plugged in, plug it in as shown. When you are ready to start your study, place the wristwatch on your non-dominant wrist, keeping your dominant hand free. If the wristband is purple, thread the strap through the loop and push on the black snap into a comfortable location on the opposing strap. Do not have the strap too tight. If you have the black strap, line up the two prongs over the opposing strap and push the prongs into the strap so that the wristwatch is comfortable. Once the strap is on, place the thumb sensor over the thumb past the first knuckle. Now that the wristwatch is on your wrist and the thumb sensor is on, the final step is to power on the device. Simply press and hold the button on the side of the wristwatch for 3 seconds. This will turn the wristwatch on. While the wristwatch is powering up, the screen will go through 4 phases. The first phase is mode, then it will go into sleep mode, then it will start looking for readings, and then finally it will display your reading values. During the study, it is important to not remove the thumb sensor. However, we understand there may be a good reason to do so. If you remove the thumb sensor, you will need to power off, then power back on the wristwatch. This is an important step, as once the thumb sensor is removed, the wristwatch stops collecting data until this step is performed. You will know the wristwatch is working if you see numbers on the screen and a red light will appear on your thumb. This indicates the wristwatch is powered on and recording. In the morning, when you are ready to end the test, remove the wristwatch and thumb sensor. The wristwatch may start to count down. Wait for the countdown to complete, then power off the wristwatch by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds. Return the wristwatch to your prescriber where they will review the results with you. Thank you for watching this short informational video and have a great test.